Well, hello there, guys. I want to review this right here. This is a replacement for the plastic screws that go under a car. So as you can see, that's hanging out. And we're supposed to use those plastic screws, which I don't have. So we're going to see if this actually works. So I think I saw this ad on YouTube or TikTok. I can't remember. But this goes in here. And you're done. And then you just cut off the excess. So let's see. Okay, so we have two holes that need a clip. One right here and the other one right there. So let me put this one in there first. So oh, I see, this is hard. I think you have to go from the other side. No, you cannot. I'm gonna have to turn off the camera and force this with two hands. Okay, folks, so I found a solution. Cut the head, that head, into an arrow like this. So you cut it into an arrow, and that's gonna make it easy to put it through the hole, and then you can pop in the head. So let's do that. Here we go. There we go. And now you just put it through here and pop in the head. I popped in the head, so I had to lay down the camera, but it's ready. So now you just cut that off and you're done.